ओम नमो ब्रह्मादिभ्यो ब्रह्मविद्या संप्रदायकर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो नमो गुरुभ्यः. Today is the new year 1111 is our Acharya Ramachandra Bhattji told it should be celebrated as Ekatva Divasa. My best wishes for all for the happy new year and a very meaningful new year. The year in which we can practice the Ekatva Drishti, which is always emphasized in our Upanishad. In fact, Bhagavata says, Jnanam Saikatmya Darsanam. Dharmo Mad Bhakti Krat Proktaha Jnanam Saikatmya Darsanam. Aikatmya Darsanam, Atma is one in all of us. This Drishti alone is Jnanam. And the same thing is told in Bhagavad Gita. So now Guruji was telling that we have to rise above. Tamas should be conquered by Rajas, Rajas should be conquered by Sattva, Sattva should be conquered by Shuddha Sattva. And what is the Sattvika Jnanam? Bhagavad Gita says, Sattvika Jnanam is that. Yada sarveshu bhuteshu in sarvabhuta yenekam bhavamikshati avibhaktam vibhakteshu tasjnanam vid sattvikam. Sattvika Jnanam is that by which we see one tattva in all the bhutas. That Jnanam we should have, that sankalpa we should take today. This is the Kalpataru Divasa. Whatever sankalpa we take, that is going to be fulfilled with the blessing of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and the Parampara. So that Ekatva Darsanam should be there in our life. If Ekatva Darsanam comes, what is going to happen? Tato na Vijugupsade. If Ekatva Darsanam is there, Vijugupsa, Ghrana, that is not going to be there. Tatra ko mohaha kah shokaha ekatvam anupasyadaha. Upanishad gives that assurance that once Ekatva Darsanam is there, shoka and moha, they will go away from the life. And we all want these things. We want to be free from ahankara, tiraskara, spardha and asuya. Sense of competition, hating others, putting down others, taking pride in oneself. These are the negative factors that vitiates the atmosphere. And that they should go away from our life, and for that Ekatva Darsanam again is the cause. That Ekatva Darsanam, how passionately, how repeatedly Upanishad talks about. And not only it is for the sake of others, we should practice Ekatva Darsanam. Ekatva Darsanam is going to bring about Sukha and Shanti. Eko Vasi Sarva Bhutantaratma Ekam Rupam Bahudaya Karoti Tam Atmastam Yenu Pasyanti Dhiraha Tesham Sukham Shashvatam Netaresham. There is Ekaha Vasi. There is one Adhishtatra Devata, Antaryami, under whose Vasha entire Jagat is, and he only gives as karma phala. He only makes himself many. Ekam Rupam Bahudhaya Karoti. Tam Atmastam, where is he? In our own Karya Karana Sanghata. In our body, in our mind, he is very much available. And tam ye anupasyanti dhiraha, ye dhiraha vivekinaha anupasyanti darsananantaram darsanam kurvanti. Tesam, only for them there is sukha. We all want sukha. But how to get sukha? The means we don't see. We are searching in a wrong direction. We are going after mirage, thinking it is going to quench our thirst. The only way to get sukha is येन पश्यन्ति धीराः आत्मस्थम् एकम्, that आत्मस्थ एकम् आत्मानं ये अनुपश्यन्ति धीराः तेषां सुखं शाश्वतं न इतरेषां. Here Upanishad tells in both way, Anvaya Mukhena, Vyatireka Mukhena. Those who have this darshanam, they are going to become sukhi, and those who don't have this darshanam, they can never become sukhi. Moreover, next mantra also says same thing. Nityo nityanam chetanas chetananam eko bahunam yo vidadhati kamam tamatmastham yenu pasyanti dhiraha tesham shanti shashvati netaresham. We want shashvati shanti, peace of mind. Everybody, not only our mind should be peaceful, we want society to be peaceful. There has to be global peace. Everywhere there should be peace. Dyauhu, Antariksha, everywhere there should be Dyauhu Shantihi, Antariksha Shantihi, Oshadaya Shantihi, Vanaspataya Shantihi, Apa Shantihi. Everywhere there should be Shanti. And that Shanti is going to come by what? Again by this Ekatva Darshanam, what was first talked about by our Acharya. That Ekatva Darshanam is so very important. That Ekatattva is in all the Nitya Vastus. Nityo, Nitya, Anityanam Nitya, Chetananam Chetanaha. That Chetana, one consciousness behind all the living beings. And that one Nitya Vastu behind all the changing things. That Avibhaktam Vibhakteshu. That Tattva is Eka, and that is one in all of us. We are the same. Atma is the same. Atmas are not many. Shariras are many. Minds are many. Indriyas are many. But Atma is one. That Aikatmya Darshanam is the most important thing in scripture. Elsewhere it is told Subhasitam that whatever you do, that becomes meaningless if it doesn't culminate in Ekatma Darshanam. Ito na kinchit, parato na kinchit, yato yato yami tato na kinchit, vicharya pasyami jaganna kinchit, atmaikya bodha daparam na kinchit. Atmaikya bodha alone is the meaningful thing. Without, except that everything is na kinchit, na kimapi. So that Ekatma Darshanam should be the aim of our life. And if we start seeing that, then as Bhagavata says, Nareshu Abhikshnam Madbhavam Punsaha Bhavayato Chirat Spardha Suya Tiraskaraha Sahamkaraha Viyanti. Think of a society where there is no asuya, intolerance, where there is no spardha, competition, where there is no tiraskara, putting down others, and where there is no ahankara. Oh, what a beautiful place that will be. That alone is going to be Swarga. That alone is going to be the ideal place. And that comes when we start seeing one tattva in all these Purushas. Yada Nareshu, all the people, one bhava, mat bhavam, bhavayata punsaha, bhavayata achirad shigram. Quickly that comes, this type of change comes. So let us work for that Ekatma Darshanam, Ekatva Drishti, then automatically Prema, Maitri, they are going to be there in life. Ahankara, Tiraskara, they are going to disappear. We will make the place heaven. Let us start with the Prashanti Kutiram. Here itself let us practice. Let there be that brotherhood. Let us have that mutual love and respect with Ekatma Darshanam, and it is going to spread slowly. Once it is there, automatically it is going to go. Like the fragrance of a flower, how it spreads. Nahi kasturi ka modaha shapathena vibhagyate. If there is amoda in the Kasturika, it is going to spread automatically, we don't have to do anything. Similarly, if we have the Ekatma Darsana Janya Prema, then it is going to spread. It is going to become contagious. So let us work for that in this Kalpataru Divasa and Navavarsa. This should be our resolve. And coming to Guruji's birthday today, he is a dedicated person and he rededicates himself for this cause, and his life is an exemplary life. I remember one sloka of Kalidasa where he refers, which is referred to Dushyanta. Swasukha nirabhilasaha khidyase lokahetu pratidinam athavate vrittirevam vidhiva anubhavati hi murdhna padapastivramushnam shamayati paritapam chayaya samsritana. So, the Pratihari is telling to, it's addressing to Dushyanta, go Dushyanta, what type of king he is? Swasukha nirabhilasa, unmindful about his own comforts, never caring for. Swasukhe anabhilasaha, I should be comfortable, that thought was never there. Khidyase lokaheto, you are toiling, sweating, working, suffering for the sake of others. Now you see Nagendra life with that. How much he is working, never careful about his comforts, and always paying attention how others, those who are with him, are going to be comfortable. Like a big tree, it takes all the heat on its head and provides cool shadow to the people who are sitting down. Anubhavati murdhna padavaha tivramushnam shamayati paritapam chayaya samsritana. That is the life of the great people. So I see it is so appropriate to life of Guruji Nagendraji, and his birthday is a blessing to all of us, all the people. And our prayer is going to have long, long life ahead, healthy, to bless and to lead the people to the spirituality of Ekatva Darshanam. This is my prayer. Om Tat Sat.